Hi, I'm Sheryl, and we're going to make a great steak tonight. Fabulous marinade, great for any steak, especially steaks that need to be tenderized, like a flank steak. But for any steak, it's just a fabulous marinade. It's very simple. You start with a third of a cup of oil, a third of a cup of soy sauce, some brown sugar, some lemon juice, about a teaspoon of garlic, and a little dash of onion powder mixed in there, and a good tablespoon of ginger. So I'm going to kind of eyeball that, and that looks like about a tablespoon. And then we are just, that's it. We're just going to whisk it all up and get all those chunks of brown sugar all mixed up in there. Whisk it really good. And it's really simple. Now we're just going to unwrap these fabulous steaks.
Beef rib steak coming right up.
Oh, these are just beautiful. Look at these. So we're just going to flip this over like that and just get it all nice and juicy. So usually you only need to marinate these, maybe an hour or so, but I like to marinate them overnight because that's when they get really flavorful. And we're just going to mix this one in real good. Look at that. Now, I did not pull out the Ziploc bag, which I'm going to do right now. And we are just going to take these babies and put them right in here. And we're just going to dump this right in the bag.
Oh, Sheryl, you're so coordinated.
Look at that. And we're going to zip this up. And we're going to refrigerate this overnight. And tomorrow, there will be beef rib steaks. Any bag that doesn't leak. There will be beef rib steaks and corn on the cob grilled with beer and some baked potato. That's what we're having for dinner now.